No, Cabover sounds good. I appreciate that, driver. They just don't make them like they used to. Nope, you gotta buy them old and rebuild them. Yeah, good luck, neighbor. You have yourself a good one. Absolutely, driver. You do the same. Stay safe. Oh, Deca, like Deca batteries. You should turn around in the back and then come back forward after doing a U-turn. See the dock. Or rather, well, that's what she said, but we're not going to do the U-turn because dock's right there. We'll do the U-turn after we unload. We'll unchain it. Oh man, it's a lower dock too. We'll go untie it and we'll figure out what the guy wants to do. Might just back up to that trailer. It's already dropped. Either that or he'll come out with a forklift. That'd be good too. How's it going? I was thinking back up to your ramp, and then I saw it duck down. I was like, oh, shit.
Oh, yeah.
And I don't think you want to drive off the front.
Oh, shit. No, not really.
I was figuring back up to your other trailer, maybe. Is that your guys' trailer?
Yeah.
Probably the easiest thing.
Let me
Because yours is a lot less steep.
Yeah, let me call him.
Unless you want to just fork it off.
Let me ask him. He's the one who will fucking do it.
Okay. I mean, I could try to go in there, but it's going to be a climb to get off the trailer, though.
Yeah.
And I might need to get dragged out. That's the only scary part.
Can you come out here real quick, dude?
Yeah, everybody loves shiny new shit. Might be a little dirty though, but
Ain't nothing gonna be clean after Saturday.
yeah, I came through right after all the nasty crap between here and Wisconsin, so I didn't see above freezing till this morning.
Damn.
Yeah, in like Austin.
Yeah, and now it's all hot.
Well, compared to what it was when I left,
Yeah.
I wouldn't necessarily call this hot.
No, not hot. Warmer than.
Warmer than where I'm living at the moment. Although that'll change pretty soon. I'm either coming this direction or Florida.
Oh, there you go. My stepdad lives in Florida.
What's that?
My stepdad lives in Florida. He loves it.
Well, in addition to biking, we're boaters too, so
Yeah.
I need the water.
Except that freaking tornado they just had.
Where? Oh, Florida, yeah.
Big ass tornado they had.
Yeah, that's what I heard. We get them up in Wisconsin every now and again too.
Oh, yeah.
Last bad one was about 10 years ago.
Yeah. It's been a while.
Yeah, but nowadays every time it might be a little bit of thunder or a leaf flickers from a thunderstorm, they throw the tornado sirens on. So now you don't believe a damn thing they say.
How'd you guys get it up? How'd they get it up there?
I have no idea.
You say that is very.
I wasn't there when I loaded it. When I picked the trailer up, there was a bucket truck sitting in the front.
Oh, maybe they had
Nothing on the top, and then
yeah. Maybe they had the bucket to help it so it didn't tip.
I don't know.
They might. I don't know what they might like your trailer idea, but there's no bucket on it. So.
Yeah, I know, they get a little wieldy.
Yeah, you sit back up in there.
Try to get him in there, huh?
I guess.
Okay. I'm gonna live to regret this. I try to go easy with them. Backing up against that other trailer would definitely be the better way to go. But if we have an issue, we have on video that that's what they told me to do. That ain't gonna work, dude. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. And we're airing down.
Yeah.
Let me drag it out before I get stuck. It's there sitting down now. You got a forklift to just... Oh. Hey! Is that one of you guys' rentals?
What, the Tucson? Or the...
No, the trailer. Well, if you back hook up to a pickup or something and set the ramps on the trailer, and then drive the skid steer onto your trailer.
Yeah, I'm not sure whose that is. It might be the owner's.
Oh, okay, I don't know.
I'm not too sure.
So the only other thing we could do is I got them aluminum ramps, but I use them because we have to flip them up because a lot of the trucks we haul, they're too low to the ground, so I have to flip them upside down and then run them up to get them onto the trailer, or else when the front wheels come off, like the bucket truck I had, the exhaust would bottom. So we have to set it down easy. And some fire trucks we do, I have to put them back here to get the ass end to go over the back deck. Now, I could set them down, but I got no way to hold them down. So if you juke too hard, or the ramp could come off the trailer, there's no... Right. I'll do it, but you're driving.
Nah, he's driving. I ain't driving.
You get the point. If something happens,
exactly, it's not your.
It ain't my problem.
See,
I don't want to be like that.
Skytrack over there?
It's 7,000 pounds.
How much?
It says 7,000.
It says 7,000.
It's on over Skytrack can lift that.
Well, he's done some crazy shit with the Skytrack. We're gonna see.
Was that what he's getting in?
I think so. I mean, honestly, once we just, well, I don't know, because those forks aren't very long either.
Then you get him sideways, maybe.
Might have to, yeah.
Either that, or I was thinking it was a bucket on that big loader.
No.
Drive right in a bucket.
Right?
Like one of those big ones you see like at the coal mines and shit. Just drive it right in the bucket.
Right? We have one, but it's down right now.
See, I've seen them do all kind of crazy crap.
Mm-hmm.
Use excavators like cranes. Actually, they're not very good cranes, but they do work.
I say we use them to those hammers when you walked in.
Yeah.
Once we use them to put them in the stand.
That's exactly what he's doing. He's gonna try the Skytrack. A lot of times, though, a lot of places we'll go to, they'll think they could use the loader to lift stuff.
Yeah.
But then they already, to get it up, like let's say you're taking a generator off the top deck, you're already as high as a loader will lift.
Exactly.
So then you go up, and it goes up An inch and a half.
Yeah. Let's see.
And you look at the guy like, yeah, that ain't gonna work, dude. It's funny till you deliver enough of these places. There's people that know how to get crap done, and then there's people that are afraid to get crap done.
I just don't want that to come out of my paycheck.
Yeah.
What's up?
Let the forklift to one side of the fork. Move the fork, please.
Move the fork? Is it this way?
Hey, curl it down.
Huh?
Curl it down. There you go.
I see.
Yeah, curl it all the way. The pin will slide up, and then you can just give her a good little heave-ho. Keep rolling. Or will we go more? There you go.
Oh, okay.
Slide that other one out so it'll come around it. If you can come down more, come down more. That's it. Bring it out. Hey, it might be out enough.
It's all the way.
You see, this don't get done much.
Damn. Try holding. WD.
I said the last time this thing saw some grease. Yeah, it was actually what you were doing was just doing it.
Was it?
Yeah.
You want it back there? Where do you want it?
Oh, did I fuck up? It's a little bit of grease wouldn't hurt none.
Yeah, I see that.
You need to curl it again.
Back.
Yeah, back up.
You're hitting right here.
There you go. Watch your fingers in that gap there.
God damn.
The arm is bent too, that don't help.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there you go. Yes.
Here, wiggle like I was, I'll push. Oh, there we go.
Oh, there you go.
Woo. Push like a man.
You leave that thing running all day?
I'm not, oh, when I drop, pick up.
Proof that it wasn't your fault.
One of many reasons.
It works, right? Save your ass.
I've had enough crap happen over the course of 23 years.
I bet.
Bring it down. All right, now curl up a little. All right, drive straight in. Okay, you're just touching the tire. Go up, you're gonna have to curl, go up a little, but as soon as it starts lifting, curl up also, because you're gonna flex the forks. If you can, pick it in with the fork, like go that way with the forks, like repick it. Because see how the forks are at that angle?
That's why you want that fork too far out. That's why I said stop, it didn't stop. I want that fork under that tire.
Uh-huh.
I want that fork up.
You want the fork on the angled tail?
Yeah.
All right, that fork's gonna slide on that angled tail.
Now, last time when I long loaded,
Okay.
I put the fork where that fork is at, and the other fork was in the back of that tire.
Okay, it's all you. I just don't want to see it get scratched up, that's all.
Well, what you want me to do then?
It ain't my thing, dude.
You want me to get it from there?
However you want. I'm just trying to make sure there ain't no damage on your end, that's all.
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm asking you. That's the last time we did. But
You want the
you
fork?
get it from there?
I would put the fork where it's flat rather than here, because if it hits here, it's gonna slide up and scratch it a bit.
Alright, we'll push the
I mean, ain't nothing some Krylon won't cure, but I just don't see nobody get no trouble, that's all. You know, he's like, what do you want me to do? I'm like, dude, unload it. I don't care how. Here, I'll lift it and you push. There we go.
That's good right there, eh?
Let's try that. It don't go no more unless we flip it all the way. There you go. See, that's much nicer and flatter. There you go.
See if this thing fucking works though. Blowing hydraulics.
You got her. It's nice and easy. You're clear, you can set it down. There we go.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I just didn't want it on an angle because then it tries to spread the fork and it'll gash the paint. All right, let me get your paperwork.
I don't even know what.
I'm surprised that little bastard did it too. Well, keys are in it. Who's signing, you or him? Oh, there. Bottom of each, anywhere down there and right there on the bottom, little one.
Hey, Graham. What is that driver to go around?
All right.
There you go.
Cool. Appreciate it.
Yeah, awesome.
All right. Let me tell this guy real quick.
Excellent.
Have you been here before?
Nah.
Well, you can go all the way around.
Okay, just go way back there, circle, and then pop back out.
Just come back. I'm gonna tell this guy to do this.
Sweet. All right, thank you. Oh yeah.